All right, so WOD 3 for the third annual Fire and Ice competition is the Junkyard Monkey. It's a 10-minute AMRAP. RX division will do 3 ring muscle ups, followed by 5 dumbbell squat, clean, and jerks at 50 and 35 pounds, 7 box jump overs at 24 and 20 inches, 9 axle bar deadlifts at 225 and 160, and 11 synchronized hand release push-ups. The team can go in any order, but must remain in that order the entire AMRAP. And if one teammate is tagged in, they must complete a full rep of whatever exercise they're on before they can tag out the second time. The scale division, similarly, will be doing 3 ring dips instead of muscle ups. They will also do the dumbbell squat, clean, and jerks at a lower weight at 35 and 20. 7 box jump overs, same height, but we are allowing step ups for the scale division. 9 axle bar deadlifts at 160 pounds and 90 pounds, and still will do 11 synchronized hand release push-ups. If teammates have to go from their knees, you will be scored at a lower score than those doing full hand release push-ups. So we've got a team here that's going to demo this workout as I go over the standards. So 3, 2, 1, go. First athlete will get up, do 3 hand release muscle, 3 muscle ups.
Ring muscle ups.
Ring muscle ups. 2, full extension, full extension. You'll then go into dumbbell squat, clean, and jerks. Dumbbells must go overhead, touch the ground.
Full squat.
Jerk. They can then tags in the next teammate. The teammates will be back at the end.
No rep.
No rep, it must be 2 movements, clean and then jerk. It is not a thruster.
Clear.
One more.
Good.
Then we'll move on to box jump overs. Must leave with 2 feet. They can step down.
Good. 4.
Tags in.
Good.
5. 6. 7.
If you are, we'll have weights for both male and female. You must switch your own weights.
3. 4. 5.
Deadlift all the way to the ground.
7.
Shoulders behind the bar at the top, hips open.
9.
Teammates must come down to 11 synchronized hand release push-ups. You must be synchronized at the bottom and synchronized at the top.
2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Down. Up. 5. Down. Up. 6. Down. Up. 7. Down. Up. 8. Down. Up. 9. Down. Up. 10. Down. Up. 11.
After the 11, you can then go into the next round.
Yeah. Good job.
And that's WOD 3 of the third annual Fire and Ice Challenge.
Yeah.